Hi guys, I welcome you all to my channel. Today we will be discussing one SDLC model, that is derived model. Before we proceed, I will request you to watch my software development lifecycle video and waterfall model video if you have not watched it. So let's start it. What is derived model? In derived model, we take basic model or single model and change it according to the customer requirement or company standard. That is called derived model. It is also called as customized model. Why it is called customized model? Because here we will take a basic model and then we will be modifying as per the customer requirement or company standard. That is why it is also called as customized model. Let's understand this in brief. So here I will take my basic model as waterfall model. If you remember, I explained in waterfall model we have total 7 pages. Requirement collection page, feasibility study page, design page, coding page, testing page, deployment page and maintenance page. Okay, so we'll take this waterfall model as a basic model and from here we'll be deriving it and we'll be making it as a derived model. Let's understand why we go for derived model from the waterfall model. So what happens in waterfall model is we cannot go back from one phase to another phase. Let's say I have already gathered my requirement collection and requirement collection is finished. Then I am coming to the feasibility study phase. In this feasibility study phase, if my customer needs some changes in the requirement, then I cannot go back from feasibility study to requirement collection page. That's why derived model came to picture where I can go back from feasibility study page to requirement collection page. In derived model, we have also total 7 pages. Requirement collection page, feasibility study page, design page, coding page, testing page, deployment page and maintenance page. Then why here we are taking waterfall model as a base model and we are deriving it and making it as a derived model? Because in waterfall model, requirement collection page is not tested, whereas in derived model, requirement collection page is tested. Second one is, in waterfall model, we cannot go back from feasibility study to requirement collection phase if there is any change in the requirement. So in waterfall model, requirement changes are not allowed. But coming to the derived model, if in feasibility study page, customer need any kind of change in the requirement, then requirement changes are allowed. In waterfall model, design phase is not tested, whereas in derived model, design phase is tested. As I told you in my waterfall model session that waterfall model is a traditional model because in waterfall model, which was the very old model at that time, there was no separate testing team who was testing the application. Here, the developer who is doing the coding, they were only doing the testing. But when derived model came to picture, then we had a separate testing team who is doing testing. So that's why we modified from waterfall model to derived model. So this is what all about derived model, where to overcome some drawbacks of waterfall model, we are coming for the derived model and we are adopting derived model. So that is all about derived model. I hope you liked my video. If you have liked my video, then please subscribe it and share across with your friends. If you have any further queries, please feel free to ask me. You can ask your queries in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer all your queries. Thank you.